Today I'm going to demonstrate an application I made using React, JavaScript, Redux with Thunk middleware. Those are the front-end technologies, and Ruby on Rails API backend. This is a real-time weather application that utilizes the facade design pattern, making two third-party API calls with multiple asynchronous data fetches. So let's kind of get started here. So here you can see we have an easy to use single page application. It's a easy to use design pattern, collapsible menu here. If we were to enter in a city like so, Denver, that's where I'm located. Yeah, you kind of get the 5-day weather forecast for Denver. It's not limited to country, so I can do like Paris. Let's see what the weather is like in Paris. There you go, 5-day forecast for Paris here. Kind of gives you a description, max temp, low temp, that type of thing. Sign up and log in. That's a feature. I didn't really want to lock out any features of this application. It's really not necessary, but you know, it is in there, so you could use that. But yeah, so let's kind of talk about, I guess, our back end real quick and what we got going on. So first thing is this is a Rails API backend with a relational database. So I have a database here that basically via active record will communicate some different relationships. The next thing that I have is some controllers via the API that I was talking about, API folder rather, and you'll see that if I click on users, it utilizes the JSON render the data with a serializer, so we get some nice results that kind of look like this. This is JSON, so that way we can use it in our front end, a little bit more usable. Okay, other than that, we have our front end here. Well, I did mention a facade design, so let's take a look at that here. So facade, basically what it does is it sets up all of our program in one nice easy method call, rather than me calling each of these individually, right? You can see it just passes the information along, sets everything up for me, so that way we can render the results nicely. So that's that. Okay, front end. So front end technology here. As I mentioned before, I have my reducers here. So root reducer, this is our Redux. So inside of my Redux, all these are the actions, and then each action changes state of the application just a little bit. The fun stuff about that comes with our actions, and you'll see the add forecast is an asynchronous call that will basically deliver a promise, and then we sort through that promise, which is super fun. That's where the fun stuff happens. And then after that, you'll see I utilize the React router, and so import all of the technologies that I need. As you can see, I put some notes here for me to stay organized. But yeah, as you can see, React router with a path of login. I'm passing in the store, which is our Redux, to each one of these just in case I need state. And other than that, yeah, we're able to get it to render nicely on the page. Application, or our app, our higher component, higher level component, or parent component, kind of looks like this. Got some handle click methods, so all good stuff. Anyways, so I have a few more of these online. If you'd like to watch them, feel free. Click some of the links down below, and sure you can navigate to them. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.